Hey guys, this is Billy with Marine Pro Service. We're out in the hot sun now. You can see in mirages and whatnot, but got a customer here that has got a little vigorous on loading his boat on his trailer and tore his bunks up. He bent that front bracket and we tore that one all to pieces and ripped out the lag bolts and bent the trailer top of that bracket there. One on the inside, and the ones at the back are also leaning this way. We're gonna do a little anti-gravity trick. We got a levitation tool we ordered special for this job, so we're gonna get it set up and see do it work, and we'll be back with you. If you don't hear from me in 15-20 minutes, somebody call 411. Out here in the hot sun up there, and what we got going on here is an old trickeration of trying to get the boat up off this trailer on this side. This is the side that our bunks are damaged on, so we've built this redneck pyramid of cinder blocks and 2x4s. And what we've done is use that to cantilever the boat by jacking the front of it up. And we've got some gap already, as you can see, between the bunks, and the bunk's way off of that, the boat's way off of that bunk right there. So we're gonna be able to access all those bent brackets and replace all that stuff. And I need the nose of the trailer to come down just a little bit farther. And so what I've done is started out with counterweighting it with some cinder blocks, and I thought, you know what? Water, 8 pounds a gallon. This is a 24-gallon tank, so we're fixing to add some liquid to this tub. It'll help bring the nose of the trailer down further and give me more clearance on that bunk, we think. Be back to check that out shortly. We're adding water to the tank now. It actually started out at about 18 inches before I remember where my tape measure was. Anyway, we'll check it here in a minute again and see what kind of drop we get with adding this water to it. We got our water tank full, 24 gallons of water there. We're somewhere around 14 3/4 inches, so we gained almost 4 complete inches of drop with the trailer, which is a lot of what we needed to have happen. We're finished with our counterbalance weight out here on the tongue of the trailer, so we're gonna go fancy on y'all now and install a bilge pump. Of course, it wouldn't be a bilge pump if you're pumping out water out of an old gas tank, so this is an old gas tank pump. And there it goes. That way we don't have to try to lift it. We also can do this slowly so that it'll control the process of taking this weight off of the tongue of the trailer, and nothing will happen quickly and cause it to slip off of any of the rest of these fancy jacks and props and bricks and blocks and everything else we got stacked up. I definitely think today is coming to an end, at least on this particular project. Customer sent a text message while we're in the midst of doing the trailer if there's any progress on the boat, so I need to introduce him to Boats and BSing with Billy on my YouTube page. We're gonna undo what we did earlier with jacking this trailer up using the blocks under the right rear corner. We're gonna take the load off of the tongue here so I can get this jack to spin over with no weight on it, like so. And then we'll turn this jack, drop it back to the ground again, like so. Walk to the back, and if everything is still there, we should be able to start removing our spacers where we jacked it up off the trailer so we could work on and get those bunks straightened out. So maybe a little tougher than taking it to the ramp and doing it, but for a one-man job here at the shop, that worked best for us. Come see us, Marine Pro Service. Could really use some help. Does pay. You see all the brackets are back attached, everything's put together. She's ready to go now, and hopefully we'll have another happy customer. Be on late this weekend when it's going to be record heat. Be a nice place to be up on Kiwi, up close to the Joe Cassidy Dam, where the water's real cold. Stays cold all the time, like some other places I know, but you got to live somewhere. Y'all come see us, Marine Pro Service. This is Billy, getting in trouble.